Aloha. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about some things from the beginning of Module 1 in grade 5 that I thought might help you out if you just had a video that would explain it to you slowly. So I'll go as slow as I can. We'll see. First of all, here's our place value chart. And I want you just to think about 5. And 5 times 10 is 50. And 50 times 10 is 500. And 500 times 10 is 5,000, right? So when you start getting all confused about jumping from column to column, multiplying by 10, I want you just to remember that we already know that 5 times 10 is 50. And we can look at the zero patterns here, right? When we multiply by 10, we add a 0. When we multiply by 100, we add 2 zeros. When we multiply by 1,000, we add 3 zeros. So think about those patterns. And then we're going to have to look at columns that aren't next to each other to think about the relationships between the numbers. So think about 5 and 500. Well, if you multiply by 100 from 5, you're going to go to 500, right? Okay, so try to keep it, always go back to your place value chart and always go back to simplifying it to help yourself understand it when you start to get confused. Speaking of place value charts, use the place value charts that are in your book right before lesson 1 and right before lesson 2. Put them in a dry erase sleeve, put them in a sheet protector so you can use them over and over, or just write right on them or make your own. See, I made this one. It wasn't that difficult. And remember that going this way, you're multiplying by 10. But what about when you're going the other way? That's when you're dividing by 10, right? Because if I have 50 and I divide by 10, I'm going to have 5. Those are things that you already know. Try to rely on that and not get yourself confused. All right. I hope that helps. Aloha.